Hi friends, I'm your acupuncturist Habib Khan, and today I'm going to explain you very important and most used point in acupuncture practice. The point name is GB34 or gallbladder 34. In Chinese it is called Yang Ling Kuan. It is a C point, it is an earth point, an influential point for muscle, tendons and sinews. It regulates four things. First, it regulates muscles and tendons. It regulates gallbladder channel and organ. It regulates intestines to ease constipation. And last and most important, it regulates mind and emotions. So it's very helpful in treating psychological problems with other acupuncture points. It calms two things. First, it calms hyperactive liver yang. Second, it calms liver. It moves stagnant energy in liver and gallbladder. It clears damp heat in liver and gallbladder. GB40 is a source point, and when it is combined with GB34, it has tonifying effect on gallbladder channel and organ and on muscles and tendons. So when these 2 points are combined together, it can strengthen and tonify weak muscles, and on the other hand, it can relax muscle spasm. So to treat muscles and tendon problems, other points can be used with these 2 points also. They are GB34, liver 3, pericardium 6 and SP6. When treating gallbladder channel problem, there will be hemiplegia, sciatica, pain and stiffness on the lateral aspect of thigh and hip and of knees and calf. So if your lateral side of leg is affected, GB34 can be combined with UB58 and SP6 to treat these problems. When there is stagnant of energy in liver and gallbladder, there will be intercostal pain, pain in the ribs, hypochondrial pain, or tightness or oppressive feeling in the chest. Then the point combination will be GB21, GB34, triple warmer 6 and liver 3. To calm hyperactive liver yang and liver mid, when there is hypertension, hemiplegia, headache, tinnitus, deafness, and muscle tremors. Examples are vertigo with frustration and suppressed anger. Point combination will be GB34, GB43, liver 3 reducing method, kidney 6 and kidney 10 reinforcing method. Then comes treating psychological problems. So there are psychological problems like self-doubt, lack of assertion, indecision, mental confusion, mood changes, irritability, forgetfulness, disorientation, fearfulness and indecision. Then the point combination will be GB34, kidney 3, heart 3, even method. When there is damp heat in liver and gallbladder, there will be hepatitis, cholecystitis, nausea, indigestion, epigastric and hypochondriac discomfort, and acid regurgitation or acid reflux. Point combination will be GB34, CV12, stomach 36, pericardium 6, even method. Last, it treats constipation because GB34 regulates intestines. Point combination will be GB28, GB34, Li10, triple warmer 6, reduce and CV6. So this was the explanation of gallbladder 34. Now we will learn its location. So friends, to know the location of GB34, this is the lateral side of your leg. This is the knee joint. This cross mark is head of the fibula bone, and from the fibula bone, GB34 is anterior inferior. This is GB34. Keep that in mind. This is stomach 36 on the anterior side, and on the lateral side this is GB34. This is the head of fibula bone, and from the fibula bone it is anterior and inferior to fibula, head of the fibula bone, GB34. I hope you got the location. Thanks for watching the video.